Guess what? Packing day has finally arrived. Time to pack for Europe. I just lay a blanket out on the bed because I don't like to have all the suitcases over our nice clean bed. My suitcase. Indian suitcase. Alright, so before I start showing you all the unusual things that I like to pack before we go, I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about where we're going while we prepare for our holiday. Haircuts, hair colours, the works. So I thought I'd go over a list of everywhere we're going for the next few weeks. This is our list. We're starting off going to Europe, flying off to Rome with Qatar Airlines. We're using the Q suites and we're heading straight to Rome. From Rome, we're going to be getting on a 7-night cruise with who? We're getting on a 7-night cruise with MSC on the Seaview cruise. It's going all around the Mediterranean. After that, we're going to get off and we're catching a flight over to Athens. From Athens, we're going to have a few nights in Athens first, and then we're going to head out onto Virgin Scarlet Lady. We've got an 11-night cruise on Scarlet Lady, which is going mainly to Istanbul and all the Greek islands. And after that, it's away for nearly 4 weeks. We'll be heading back home with Qatar Airlines all the way back to Melbourne. All right, so before we go on any holiday, I pack heaps of chocolate. I need Cadbury chocolate when we're going. Some of the other things I take is laundry sheets. So I like to pack a few laundry sheets. If we need to wash our socks and underwear, we can do that just in the sink in the bathroom if we can't get to a laundromat. Hooks, we are going on 2 different cruises. I do like to have our wall hooks. We can put the itinerary up on the board and we can hang our hats, lanyards, anything else we like because the walls are all magnetic. These little tiny things I do like to take. These are for our bags, our suitcases or our carry-on bags. I don't want anyone trying to steal anything from us, so I get these little clips. They clip onto the bag and it stops people being able to open up all the zips. So they're just tiny. You get them on Amazon, just a few dollars. I like to take either a lanyard or a little sticky thing for the back of your phone. You stick it back on. You can put your cruise card in there. On the Virgin flight, on the Virgin cruise, we're not going to need it because they'll give us the wristband. But on the MSC, I like to be able to have the lanyard nice and close to be able to tap and get into our room or charge different things. Hats, of course. We need a little duffel bag for the beach. So rather than taking a big bag with us every day, I've just got this little collapsible duffel bag for all of our towels. Packing cubes. I'm a big fan of packing cubes. I like to put all of my clothes in a packing cube, not just because it keeps it organized. It's just when we get on the cruise ship, I can take it out and put it in all the drawers. Bottles of water. I like to have a few bottles of water in the suitcase. So as soon as we land, we've got some water in the room. Saves us heading out to the supermarket. Something red for Scarlet Night on Virgin Voyages. We've got a red dress, got some red outfits for the red night. Fans. Dan loves a good fan around his neck. Or another handheld fan. I don't like them. I'm always freezing cold, so I don't need these. And on this trip, we need to bring some type of headscarf when we're in Turkey. So women aren't allowed into some of the mosques without a headscarf. So I've just bought this one. It'll also be handy when we're on board the cruise ships when I'm freezing in the theatre shows. Mobile phone charger, so we like to take that. I've got to actually check if the airline allows us to take that now. A swimming pouch so I can put our phone in when we're in the pool so it doesn't get wet or it doesn't get stolen. I can keep it with me. Some towel bands. I'm going to put our beach towels on the sun loungers on board the ship. This will hold it down so the wind doesn't take it. And what else do we take that's a bit unusual? I think that might be it. But anyway, watch us pack. We've got lots of things to share and you can watch us. There is one thing I do need to try and take. I'm going to take my curler. I need to get my straightener back from Cassie.
Is it there now? It's not here.
I should go get my straightener. Cassie, if you're watching, I've stolen the straightener because it's mine.
I'm reclaiming my straightener.
Got the straightener. All right, so we're all packed, we're ready to go. All we've got left now is just a quick dinner with all the family before we go. See you at the airport. Bye.